Do you ever feel like you have so much to do but not enough time to do it at all? Are you struggling to stay focused and motivated throughout the day? If so, you're not alone. Productivity is a common challenge that many people face in their daily lives. Today, we're sharing 8 tips for being more productive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to get more done in your day-to-day life, these tips can help you make the most of your time. So keep watching to learn how to be more productive. Number 1. Set goals. Setting goals is an essential first step to becoming more productive. When you have clear goals, you know what you need to accomplish and you can create a plan to achieve them. Goals can help you stay focused and motivated and provide a sense of direction for your work. When setting goals, it's important to make them SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals can help you clearly define what you want to achieve, while measurable goals allow you to track your progress. Achievable goals are realistic and within reach, while relevant goals are aligned with your overall objectives. Finally, time-bound goals have a specific deadline, which creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay accountable. Number 2. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule is crucial for managing your time effectively. When you have a schedule, you know what you need to do and when you need to do it. This helps you avoid wasting time and ensures that you make progress towards your goals. Start by identifying your most important tasks and scheduling time for them first. For example, if you're a student, you might schedule time to study for exams or work on assignments. If you're a professional, you might schedule time to complete important projects or respond to urgent emails. It's also important to be realistic when creating your schedule. Don't try to cram too much into one day, or you'll end up feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Instead, schedule breaks and time for self-care, such as exercise or meditation. Finally, be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Life is unpredictable and unexpected events can throw off your plans. When this happens, try to adapt your schedule and make the most of the time you have available. Tip number 3. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks are more important than others, and it's crucial to prioritize your work so that you focus on what's most important. This can help you avoid procrastination and ensure that you make progress towards your goals. One useful method for prioritizing your tasks is to use the Eisenhower matrix. This matrix divides your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. And tasks that are both urgent and important should be your top priority, as they have a deadline and are critical to your success. Tasks that are important but not urgent should be scheduled into your calendar or planner, so you have time to complete them before they become urgent. Tasks that are urgent but not important should be delegated or postponed if possible, as they can distract you from your important work. Finally, tasks that are neither urgent nor important can be eliminated or minimized. Prioritizing your tasks can help you focus on the most important work, increase your productivity, and reduce stress. By prioritizing your tasks, you can make sure that you're working on the right things at the right time and with the right level of energy and focus. Tip number 4. Manage distractions. Distractions can be a productivity killer. Whether it's notifications on your phone, social media, or interruptions from colleagues or family members, distractions can prevent you from staying focused and completing your work. One way to manage distractions is by creating a distraction-free environment. This could mean turning off notifications on your phone, using noise-canceling headphones, or working in a quiet space. It's also important to communicate with those around you, letting them know when you're working and when you need to focus. Another way to manage distractions is by using time blocking. Time blocking involves scheduling specific blocks of time for focused work and setting boundaries around those blocks. During these blocks, you turn off notifications and avoid distractions so that you can focus on your work. By managing distractions, you can stay focused and make the most of your time. This can help you achieve your goals and increase your productivity. Number 5. Take breaks. Taking breaks may seem counterproductive, but research shows that taking breaks can actually help you become more productive. When you take a break, you can give your brain a chance to rest and recharge, which can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. One popular method for taking breaks is the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for a set amount of time, typically 25 minutes, and then taking a short break, typically 5 minutes. After 4 Pomodoro sessions, you can take a longer break, typically 15 to 20 minutes. By taking breaks, you can avoid burnout and stay refreshed and energized. This can help you be more productive and make the most of your time. Number 6. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks can be a powerful way to increase your productivity. When you delegate tasks, you free up your time to focus on the most important work. This can help you avoid getting bogged down in routine or low priority tasks and allow you to focus on the work that requires your expertise. To delegate effectively, it's important to identify the right tasks to delegate and the right people to delegate them to. You want to make sure that the tasks are appropriate for the person you're delegating them to and that they have the necessary skills and resources to complete the task. Delegating tasks can also be a way to develop skills and abilities of those around you. By delegating tasks, you're giving others the opportunity to learn and grow, which can benefit both the individual and the organization. Number 7. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major obstacle to productivity. When you procrastinate, you put off important tasks and allow them to pile up, leading to stress and anxiety. To avoid procrastination, it's important to understand why you're procrastinating in the first place. One reason people procrastinate is that they feel overwhelmed or unsure of where to start. To overcome this, break your tasks down into smaller, more manageable steps. This can help you feel more in control and make it easier to get started. Finally, it's important to hold yourself accountable for your actions. Set goals and deadlines for yourself and make sure you follow through on them. By avoiding procrastination, you can stay on top of your work and increase your productivity. Number 8. Stay organized. Staying organized can help you increase your productivity by reducing the amount of time you spend looking for things or figuring out what you need to do next. There are several ways to stay organized, including using a task list or planner to keep track of your tasks or deadlines, organizing your workspace so that everything is a designated place, creating a filing system for your documents and papers, and breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. By staying organized, you can work more efficiently and make the most of your time. This can help you achieve your goals and increase your productivity. And that's a wrap on our 8 tips on how to be productive. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling inspired to implement them into your daily routine. Remember, productivity is not about working harder, but about working smarter. By making small changes to your daily habits and routines, you can increase your productivity and achieve your goals. So, which tip will you start implementing today? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.